Hey guys, Mike here. This company sent us these driving lights, and so we're going to look at them, see what we get in the box, and hook them up. So let's get started. So in the kit, you get the two lights. These are the lights, and you can get these lights in either a flood, um, a spot, or both. It's sort of a mix. They come with these orange and black covers. I think the black covers are more to protect the lenses. So if you're not using them, you can put the protector on it. Comes with all the nuts and bolts that you need. The wiring. Here's the switch piece that you'll mount in the cab. And then here's the rest of the hookup. And it's got the two pigtails on it. Now, an interesting thing about these is these will also give you daytime driving lights, basically a halo around it. And the white will give you a clear light, and the amber or the yellow will give you an amber halo. So we're going to hook these up to the battery just so we can show you how it all works. Hang with me. Hey guys, all right, so we got these lights installed. It took us about 2 hours, and most of that was trying to figure out where to run the wires and how to run them. But let me show you. We've got them hooked up here, and I'll show you that. But come over here and look at this. We found a fuse in the fuse box. Oh, I can't open it. That's okay. Found a fuse in the fuse box that only came on with the key for the daytime driving lights, and that happened to be the cigarette lighter plug or power plug for the dashboard. And we've got it all wired up and went through the dashboard here that had nothing behind it, so it was really easy to push a drill through that. We'll put some RTV around that to make sure it's sealed, but I'm out of it. And then you can come in the cab and see how we have the switch, and we just wired the switch here. This was a blank panel, so we wired the switch here. So let's fire it up. Let's go back out front. We'll take a look. And I put this amber lens on this one on purpose, but you can see that it's got the amber ring. We could have opted for a white, but let's turn them on. Look how bright those things are. So I haven't decided whether I'm going to use the amber or the white. I'm going to try both and see which ones I like better. But I love these lights, super easy to install. It went perfect. And the install looks great. Everything's tucked in neatly, works like a champ. So get you a set of these, you will not be disappointed. Have a great rest of your day.